Hi Aquarius, welcome to your zodiac reading. As I said that I would be doing zodiac readings from now on my channel. So here we are, along with the picker cards. The picker cards will be on. Let's see what's going on with you in your situation. So how I'm going to be doing this, I'll be posting these readings twice in a month, first 15 days and then the remaining 15 days. So I'll be looking at the current situation for you, and then I will be looking at what to expect in the next 15 days, and then you can know whether this is resonating as per your situation. All right, and we can close it off with a couple of messages from the oracle cards. Okay, so let's see what your present situation is. I'll be picking up a couple of cards to see that what's going on with Aquarius presently. Two cards, Death and Ten of Wands. So death has been appearing a lot. Six of Swords and Six of Pentacles. Amazing energy. Okay. A huge transformation, Aquarius, for you. Something that is putting down the burden, maybe you don't realize it. Something that is making you a better person. Okay. This is bringing down the burden of your life. You're moving towards a direction of balance and stability, which you probably don't realize, but somewhere in your subconscious you know that this change is taking you in that direction. Okay, so you should appreciate this change. I think you are in this Death and Ten of Wands energy. Maybe you're feeling very baffled right now. You're not very sure if this is for your good or is this going to lead you in a bad situation. You're not very sure. You think you're feeling very... So this is a transformatory period for you. Okay, Aquarius. So yeah, those phases can be really scary. But I see you getting to that understanding, because I think you know why is it happening somewhere. This could be that maybe you were handling too many responsibilities and that is kind of coming to an end for you. All right. So let's see what else do we get. Let's see how does this move from April 15th to the 30th. If this resonated with you, then probably the energy that I pick up for the next couple of days will also. Let's see. Six of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords. The number 6 is critical for you. 6 is also the Lover's card, so maybe something to do with that. So I see you moving. You're not going to, I'm not seeing you stop this change from coming in your life. And then I have the Hermit and 10 of Cups. Okay. So here I think your reading is kind of linked with Gemini. So I am seeing that somewhere, you know this is taking you in the direction of happiness, but you're just a little confused or you're overwhelmed. Okay, a little overwhelmed here. 3 of Cups. This is taking you in the direction of happiness for sure. There could be a person here who has a lot of feelings for you, maybe not showing it enough, maybe guarded. Okay, maybe they have their own fears, but let's not get there. We're talking about you. Could be because there is a third party situation. Maybe there are other people involved here also, but this is giving you the happiness that you want always. Okay. And you guys are like divine counterparts, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. So there is nothing for you to feel scared at this point, Aquarius, because I feel that it is happening for you so that you can meet somebody in your life who is just like you, or who's probably a person who's meant for you. Okay, energetically, I think you guys match. And for that, for the best thing to come in, something has to go from your life. Okay, and that is why we have the death energy, and that is why probably you're feeling so scattered at this stage. Okay, let's see what else we get. Yeah, you're thinking a lot, which I understand. There's a lot of thinking happening. 8 of Swords, but don't overthink, please. 7 of Swords. There is a tendency of you to not... You're avoiding it. You're avoiding certain thoughts. What is this? 8 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 9 of Swords. See, I feel that how much ever you think, this is not like That's the solution. The solution is to move in this direction. Your thinking is not going to make it better or anything. You're just kind of complicating it for yourself. You are trying to shut away the call, and that is not how it works. And I have the Three of Cups again. So you are resisting your own happiness, which is not going to get you anywhere, Aquarius. Okay? Don't do that. Okay. So now let's see a message from the universe for you in this situation. Do what you love. Go for your dreams. That is the advice. Laugh at your demons. Yes, probably resistance or overthinking is a demon that you have, and you need to fight that. Overthinking, getting overwhelmed, or whatever. It's like you shouldn't be. Okay, maybe it's a part of your nature, but it's not getting you anywhere in this case. Okay, you will move forward in this direction, which I'm seeing. The more you resist, the more difficult it becomes for you. I see that there is happiness for you ahead, so why do you want to stop it? I don't think you should stop it. Okay, and I see you moving, but this thinking part of it can be a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I see you overcoming that. Okay, this is the advice. Now if you become too stubborn, then it will become tough. Okay, don't try to avoid it, because this is here for your highest good. Let this change happen slowly in you. You don't have to rush into it. Let it be gradual. Let it slowly take you in that direction. Let it happen. All right? Okay, Aquarius, that's what I have. Let me know if this made sense. Please let me know in the comments, because I would want to know what you have to say so that I understand if you like this reading. And of course, the picker cards will be on. So let me know. You can follow me on Instagram for daily check-ins also. And private readings are also open, so you can reach out to me. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye.